Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabets. We will be tracing from A to Z with different colors. Let us get started. This is A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for giraffe. H. H for hat. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for owl. P. P for pigeon. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Thank you kids for tracing all these letters with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.